Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the point of view driving of the Octavia 4 wagon or the Estate. This is the 1.5 TSI with 150 horsepower. I wanted to test the petrol after the diesel, and here are my thoughts. So first things first, this car is on 17-inch alloy wheels, a little bit more comfortable. Dampening better the road bumps than the 18-inch, but I would say the Golf was an 18-inch, a little bit softer than the Octavia. There's no multi-link on the back, unfortunately, so that might be also the reason. Otherwise, the car is fairly comfortable on the road, and I don't have too many complaints. The back end doesn't stick out on the wagon as well as on the hatch. Very comfortable on the road, and no problems there. Very comfortable ride. About the noise inside the cabin, the petrol is obviously more quieter than the diesel, although the new diesel is more quieter than the previous generation. And I would say, I'm not sure, I'm trying to be fair here, if the particular car hatch that I had some issue on the bib pillar. I noticed some seal and gasket sticking out, might have created a lot of air noise next to the B pillar. In this car I don't feel that, so we're safe. And I mean, there's just not that whistling noise coming from the B pillar in this model. So I would say when you speed up, the noise is mostly coming from the side mirrors and of course the tire noise. So if you speed up to 150, which is legal in Croatia, we have a tolerance to speed. More wind noise, but it's it's good, it's fine. I'm holding the steering wheel, and I noticed that on 150 the engine becomes a little bit noisier. Below that it's perfectly fine. So and then the 6-speed manual is comfortable. I wish they just changed the lever. It's still the same, but if it was around it would be a lot better, but this is not that bad. It's great, the manual. The 1.5 petrol with the 150 horsepower is very nippy, very fast and agile, even better than the diesel. It has more momentum when you need to start off, and it just glides. It's just very comfortable ride, honestly. So if you're one of those people who don't commute a lot but want more power, I would definitely suggest the 1.5 TSI. I wouldn't go for the less horsepower version, because you get a better fuel consumption, but this is just good if you always need some power on the motorway or the highway. Consumption, now I've been driving a little bit more aggressive, but
how can I help?
There's also the voice activation. Anyway, the consumption was 6.3, the best I got it on this short test. 6.7 is the current. The average was around 7 liters, 7.5. So I believe if you're gentle, you might get less fuel consumption, something close to 6 liters. This engine is worked out now, so 3,000 kilometers on the clock. And it's, if I go to, let me see here, vehicle information, and you can see since start 6.7, I got it to 6.3. that was my best. And then if we check here, long term is 7.3, so that's what I was mentioning. And since refueling, 7.4. Actually no, I was saying 6.3, excuse me. But very, very good, considering this is a petrol. You always get better fuel consumption on the diesel, but this is fine. It also depends, of course, on your driving style. The wagon, that's a good overview around you, no blind spot issues if you turn, and very, very comfortable ride. I must say I love the new Octavia. I was very tempted to buy one, but I'm becoming a Tesla fan. Not a fanboy, but I love the new Model 3, and I would like to maybe switch to electric in a year or two when the prices drop and production starts in Europe. But back on the Octavia, it's an excellent car. I would recommend this car definitely. If you like the previous Octavia, this is even better improvement with the technology. Still big value for money, and it's a spacious car, very generous. I like the new design. I was wrong. This you can get it in Alcantara. I dislike this cloth personally. You can get this at Alcantara. Also the seats with the leather and Alcantara, which I love. But my configurator in my country wasn't updated for some reason. Although I was looking at the Czech configurator, also some stuff wasn't there. I guess it comes with the production. Down the line they add some stuff that wasn't available from the start immediately. Gonna end it up here in the garage. This car doesn't have the ambient lights, unfortunately, but I think I've summoned everything I wanted to say. If you're first time watching, you can see the diesel 2.0, also with a 150 horsepower, but the automatic I recommend. I just love it. And also this car, if you're just watching for the first time, the brakes are excellent. They're not aggressive from the start, but they are, you know, they're good. They pull the car when you press in more. They react more, so not too aggressive from the start. So I would say just on the right spot where you need them. Coming to the garage, we're gonna end it here. Also excellent value for money. If you want to see the night point of view, there is a diesel version, and you can see the Matrix LED lights performance. This car has them as well. In Croatia we get it in the style package, so this is a huge value for money. The lights are excellent performance in the night. You can also see the Ambition package just in the salon, but I would recommend just going for the style if you're in Croatia. This is how the car looks without the ambient lights. If you have them, you can also turn them off, but I like them personally. I wish they added them standard in the style package, because for some reason it's not there. Turning angle is good, but I think it could be a little bit better. But this is again then a long car, so it's better on the shorter hatch versions like the Golf or the Salon or the new Audi A3. And okay, we're gonna end it up here. I hope you liked this review. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, be a cool person. Leave your comment below what do you think about the petrol version and of the new Octavia 4. Just for the note, trunk space has 640 liters. I didn't mention that on the beginning, but very spacious car. If you like this video, feel free to subscribe to the channel and click that bell to get notifications, in that case not to miss new videos. I do in-depth car reviews, test drives, independent car reviewer, so you know, I am not paid to do this car reviews from the dealers, so I will always tell you the good and the bad stuff you want to know about the cars. So thank you for watching. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Stay safe on the road and at home. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye.